pushes you to do the same kind of thing and repeat the same kind of things, expecting the same results. What happens is if you don't do something out of the ordinary, you don't get.
Will you try to balance out between the comedy movies and the other genre films?
No, I think what happened earlier was I used to get 10 comedies, then I used to choose 3 to do. But if I get 7 comedies and 3 dramas, then I'll do 2 comedies and a drama. So I don't know, however I choose to do. It just depends on the offer.
Come on, this is my villain movement. मैं इस पे मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मैं यहाँ पे आया हूँ और मैं एंजॉय कर रहा हूँ अपने गाने को, फिल्म की सक्सेस को. तो मैं अपने म्यूजिक और अपनी विलन स्टीम के बारे में बात करना चाहूँगा. तो क्वेश्चन वही है सर आपका.
हमने क्या पाप किया है सर?
Hello?
आई थिंक कि ये डबल वैमी हो गई है कि एक विलन भी इतनी कामयाब रही है. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू गेट ग्रीडी नाउ कि हर मोहित सूरी पिक्चर में बस मैं ही हूँ. तो आई होप ही इज हियरिंग मी. सुन रहा है ना तू?
नहीं, रो नहीं रहा हूँ मैं. नहीं, अभी अक्सर एक हीरो और डायरेक्टर की विनिंग कॉम्बिनेशन के बारे में सुना था. नाउ यू हियरिंग अबाउट हीरो, I mean, a director and a heroine winning combination. Then, so that's what our cinema has come to. It's really good that we've even progressed from there. But to put your question aside, I think हम दोनों उस age पे हैं or whatever that we want to experiment with our cinema. So we didn't go with just a love story after Ashiki. Traditionally, an industry pushes you to do the same kind of thing and repeat the same kind of things, expecting the same results. What happens is if you don't do something out of the ordinary, you don't get new results. वो क्या होता है कि वो ही रिपीट करते हुए फिर बोलते हैं कुछ अलग कर ही नहीं रहा है. So we decided to walk, both of us decided to walk on a newer path. All of us actually went outside our comfort zone. Like Ritesh coming from a comic background doing a serious role. Him also doing something else. So similarly, I think me and Shraddha also doing just a love story, even though she's the part of it, but doing a romantic thriller. I think we will keep experimenting. What I like about Shraddha is the faith and the trust that she has in me of the films and the subjects and the sensibility that matches. And yes, there is a pressure but the pressure is to outbeat our own films rather than prove it to anybody else. What I wanted to do with Villain is go ahead of Ashiki 2, which it looks like it's going in that direction pretty soon.
Fingers crossed.
And yeah, we'll keep pushing this and keep trying to entertain you all as long as we can. दो सिंगर है कह रहे.
सिद्धार्थ, आप भी बहुत अच्छा गाते हैं.
I think you should perform like this, Jyoti ji.
गाइए.
Hello everyone.
हेलो.
हाय. किधर?
मैडम, ये एक फरमाइश है जो पूरी करके फौजी भाइयों की पसंद.